Another morning, another windjammer breakfast. Trying to be healthy there, look, with some melon.
Trying to be healthy. I had the grapefruit.
Oh, true. Got some nice coffees and the standard milk. Had a cracking night's sleep last night. The beds in these cabins are amazing. So yeah, awesome stuff. We're going to crack on with some food.
I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day at sea. We are currently sailing on a southwesterly heading in the North Atlantic Ocean, and we will continue on this heading until we reach Funchal. The distance to sail to reach the beautiful island of Madeira is 350 nautical miles, and our current speed is 19.2 knots.
Wow, where's the day gone? We had planned today to do just a really quiet, chilled out day. We were literally, here's a sea day, travelling between Vigo and Funchal, Madeira. We get there tomorrow morning. So today we planned really not to do anything. So we were up on the top deck, found some sunbeds nice and early, literally from about 8 o'clock this morning, and just laid out all day, chilling out, getting some drinks, having some food. As you can probably imagine, on a sea day, it's very, especially with the nice weather day, there was not a sunbed to be had anywhere after a little while, so we stayed in our spot, and it was a little bit weird if we wanted to do a vlog thing with lots of people around and all the rest of it, so really didn't pick up the camera. I filmed a couple of bits with the when the captain came on or telling us how fast we were going, all that kind of stuff. But what's the time now? It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's Caribbean night tonight, so we are going to see what that entails, maybe try one or two of the bars that we haven't checked out yet, and yeah, windjammer at 6 o'clock probably, as per usual. And yeah, it's lunchtime. We had Becky went to windjammer and grabbed a nice little fish and chips. They did it in the brown paper bag, a little cone thing. So that was nice and authentic. And then I just went to the dog house and had a hot dog. One hot dog for lunch. That's not like me. So yeah, really chilled day, and not really a lot to vlog because we were just laying there and reading and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's been a bit of a wind down day. We realised that for 3 days straight, pretty much, we were caning it, doing so many different things on the ships, bouncing from bar to bar, doing all the different activities. So we felt like we needed a day off just to chill out, but we'll see what this evening brings us. There's a few things. We went and saw We Will Rock You last night. They do 2 more performances. One of them was 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then another one this evening as well. So a lot of people are going to be out doing that. So because of that, I think there's not a huge amount of structure to some of the stuff on the ship this evening. There's some Caribbean music in the music hall, I think. A few quizzes and other bits and bobs, but we'll see what happens. We'll see where we end up. We've got the evening is our own, so we will do whatever we like the look of. They had a nice little offer, 2 Royal Caribbean t-shirts for $25 down in the main Esplanade, so I popped down, got myself a couple of new Royal Caribbean t-shirts. Did the same thing last year, but I think the deal was like 2 for $30 or 2 for $35 or something, so 2 for $25 I'm not particularly upset with. What else do we do? I think that's pretty much it. So Madeira is going to be great tomorrow. We absolutely love it there. We'll go up the cable cars and show you some of the bits and bobs there. It's a really good day, so I'm looking forward to that. We both slept like logs last night, so we've really caught up on some sleep, and yeah, again, some R&R today during the day. So stick with us. We've got lots more coming up. I don't even know what we're doing this evening, so stick with us and we'll see what we do. Caribbean night in Windjammer. So of course we've gone for Italian pasta, cheesy garlic bread stuff, chicken tenders, olives, a bit of cheese, and there is some, is it Jamaican empanadas or something?
Beef patty thing.
No, I got the chicken ones.
The chicken.
I got the chicken ones. Again, you've got the Jamaican lasagna. What else?
Some cheesy bread.
Yeah.
Some cheese. And a cheesy jacket potato.
Brilliant. Just like they eat in Jamaica all the time, in the Caribbean. There we go. Well, we'll revert back afterwards. Good morning and welcome to Funchal, Madeira. I've just got off the boat. A bit of a slow start for us this morning. The last footage you'd have seen on the last vlog was the silent disco. What we neglected to show you was the many cocktails. Wasn't a very comfortable night for either of us, and we got up this morning feeling extremely groggy and all the rest of it. But we're here, we're in lovely Madeira, one of our favourite ports on the itinerary, which is great. Had a nice slow start and had a quick muffin in Cafe 270, and then after that I had a sneaky chocolate croissant on the Esplanade this morning. So yeah, it's a lovely port. We're just going to take it steady today, not go too far, and yeah, take the day as it comes. We're going to do the cable cars, go right up to the top, and find the cats. There are some amazing cats up there. I know it's not the first thing that most people think of when you think of cruise ports.
But cats that sit on your feet.
We'll be walking over there in just a moment. That's where we sort of loop round from there and all the way round to that side, and you've got, not only is there quite a big military boat over there, also got the Cristiano Ronaldo. Why could I not pronounce that? I can't get that wrong in Portugal. So we're going to be wandering past there. We'll show you the statue outside. Won't be going in, but there are other vlogs out there that do a nice little tour of that. So here we are, a bit of a walk on the way round, but it's well worth it. Some nice sights as well. So as we said, military shipping this morning. And a stark contrast to the Anthem of the Seas over there. How long does that take us to walk around to the... 11 minutes, that's not bad. So from, if you're doing this same port, Funchal and Madeira, from the cruise port over there, all the way around there, it looks like a long way. I mean, it is a long way, but we walked it in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We weren't particularly rushing. 0.47 miles, there we go. It's not, it looks miles, but it isn't. And we're just coming up on the Cristiano Ronaldo Museum. We'll show you the statue outside in a sec. So here we go, the Cristiano, why do I keep adding a D in it? I don't know. Cristiano Ronaldo, and then you've got the hotel there. And there's like a billion people wanting to have a picture taken in front of these statues, so we'll wander past. We're not really football people. Looks like the museum is just about to open.
Still got a shiny crotch.
Yeah. So there's the statue outside. Everyone queuing up for a picture with that. And everyone, if you look at which bit is the most shiny on there. Cristiano Ronaldo's magnificent Royal Norwegian. So we're going to keep walking now up into the town. Here we are again, like continued walking round, and we are directly opposite the Anthem of the Seas, and you can see clearly from our room there's a replica pirate ship. They do tours out on that, Santa Maria de Colombia, a replica of the original Portuguese ship, I think that's what it's called. And yeah, they do little tours, so later on in the day we'll probably see it bobbing around with its red and white sails going. We're right in the town now, all the important stuff like McDonald's, Pizza Hut over there, supermarket. And yeah, we're going to carry on walking. We're heading over to where the what are they called, cable cars are now. Let's say a bit of a walk, but again, after all that windjammer food, you've got to put in the work and try and burn some of it off.
It's only been 22 minutes.
22 minutes, exactly. Not even half an hour and we're already over, so amazing. That's what we've just been on. Look how small the boat is down there. Unbelievable. So we've come all the way up that. It was incredibly bumpy. Not the nicest experience, but we made it. We're here. So right at the top, and yeah, we'll have a look around, see if we can find some of the local wildlife. So that's us back down off the cable car. It was, yeah, hair-raising experience both ways. Did a little bit of filming up at the top, but there's a lovely little church up there. I don't really know what the rules are, and you know, we've got to be respectful when it comes to filming things, so didn't want to do too much up there. We showed the little toboggans that you can get that takes you all the way back down, well, not all the way back down, but halfway back down, and then you've got to make your way from there, I believe. But yeah, lovely little trip. We're gonna have a wander around some of the shops now, see what we can see, and then we'll head back to the ship and, you guessed it, Windjammer for lunch. Let's do it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Well, we've just set sail from Funchal, Madeira, back out to sea now, and on our way to Lanzarote. That's tomorrow's port of call. We got back, it's so hot. I mean, it's like 32 degrees, I think it said in some places. So really, really sticky, hot and exhausting. We got back to the ship, went straight to Windjammer just to drink more than anything. Had some quick lunch there, and then we went up to the library, which is a little kind of hidden gem on Anthem, which is really nice and quiet. You get the music that's playing in 270 and some big old rocking chairs there, and we just sat down and read for a bit. Both of us dozed off for a little while, but I think we needed it still after last night. Still quite worn out and tired after that. We're about to get ready now. We're going down to the main dining room for dinner, and after that we've got Spectra's Cabaret, which is another one of the signature shows here on Anthem of the Seas. It's not for everyone. I've heard, I mean, we've seen it before and absolutely loved it, but I've heard mixed reviews from different people. Some people love it, some people hate it. Take it for what it is and just enjoy it, I think is my advice on that. So we're going to watch it from a different place than we did last time. There's a lot of stuff going on all around the theatre, and I think having a slightly higher up vantage point is a little bit better, a bit more advantageous for that. So yeah, we're going to try and do that. That's at 9 o'clock, and then we'll see where the night takes us. But yeah, you should see us a little bit later on, main dining room and Spectres.
Oh.